go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with Asteria here once more. So the first thing I saw was the wig, and then I got like 3 scarves. There's one in here that I already have. I love getting these scarves so much, come in so handy. I got a pair of lashes. I got a headband branded Asteria wigs and hair, and then I also got an extra elastic band, and this is the wig. Oh my gosh, so luscious, so luscious. This is a curly 30-inch wig that I'm working with today. It felt so soft and luscious. It's a medium cap size, by the way. I'm going to put the density and everything in the description box so you guys can check out those specs. The inside of the cap had a total of 3 combs, adjustable straps, and it's like of a medium or a light brown color rather. I went ahead, proceeded to start applying this, and I'm just always excited for these wigs. I'm always excited to get some inches. It came pre-plucked, by the way. I forgot to mention that, but it's really nice. Just, you know, I took my time with this because I enjoy the inches. I cut away the excess lace that was hanging over my brows, just because I'm not supposed to really be touching my brows still, but yeah. And then, as usual, you know, I have to cut off the ear portion most of the time because sometimes it's too long, but it's always safer for me to go with a medium cap size rather than getting a small, because if I get a small, that's just gonna be too small for my head, and I will get a headache. I know that for a fact. So then I proceed to going in with my Got To Be spray. Yeah, this is my most used adhesive. I take my time and just apply that section by section and use my blow dryer on cool air to get this to stick.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me. Now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure.
After doing that, I go ahead and start cutting off the excess lace, and on the very edge of the lace where it looks like it's very, very casty, I go back over that with some Got To Be.
On a new adventure. It's my time, watch me build another life. Find another space, explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Through my heart.
After doing that, I pretty much just part out some of the hairs in the front that I'm going to use to make my edges, and I get my hot comb and I take my time to kind of just lay the rest of the hair to the back and make everything seem as flat as possible. And I just use my scissors and cut the hair to my liking in terms of how long I want it to be on the edges. You really don't have to do this step if you don't like to do the whole baby hair / edge look. You could totally do a no baby hair look if that's what you wish, but I love to do my swoops, especially when I have these nice long curly wigs. I like that. I took my time and just, got my edges together, and then right here you saw going in with a comb, but I decided to not do a parting and just do a half up, half down, because I kind of just wanted that pullback vibe with the wig. So I was just doing my ponytail here.
Some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time. Threw my heart away. We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go. It's a new
Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I literally took my spray bottle, and I love this spray bottle so much. I got this at the pharmacy. I was so happy when I found it because I've been wanting one of these bottles for a while. With this bottle, it diffuses the water like very evenly, and it's a very nice continuous spraying motion. So I really wanted that, as opposed to the regular spray bottles where it's like one little chick 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 chick. That's not enough, especially when you're working with so much hair. So I literally mixed up some hair gloss, water, and some leave-in detangling conditioner. That's what the mixture is in the bottle, and it smelled so good, and it really just made the hair feel even better. And it was a very light mixture. It wasn't weighing down the hair or anything, so I love that. Like these days, if you're going curly, just go long. This, as you know, it's 30 inches, and it's all the way down to like my hips. It's all the way down. So yeah. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, so you can go ahead and check that out. Also, you can see the direct link there, so if you're interested in getting this for yourself, you could go ahead and do so. It's so soft. So yeah, I just did this half up, half down because I really didn't want to do a parting today. I didn't want to do a flip over. I didn't want to do none of that. So this is how I'm rocking it. Let me know what you think. That's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for watching. I am in love with this. In love. And that's pretty much it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for sticking around. Give this video a thumb up if you like this wig, and if you're gonna get it, if this video was informative, thumbs it up. Don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And that's it for today. So just go and make up on yourself, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Adventure.